To get started, I just have a video I'd like to export. Let's begin by going down here to the Deliver tab. Over in Render Settings, select the YouTube setting. I'm going to stick with 1080p, but if you have a higher or lower resolution, just use a drop-down arrow to select it. Then change the format from QuickTime to MP4. The resolution and frame rate should already be set based on your project settings. For the quality, set it to automatic and best. Okay, and the rest of the settings should work fine for you. I am, however, going to change my file name before I export it. You also might want to change the location it exports your file to. And one last thing you may want to do is click this little ... button up here and select Save as New Preset. This way, Resolve will save a preset to remember your preferred settings every time. Okay, next let's click the Add to Render Queue button. And over in the render queue, just hit Start Render to export your video. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.